is up, YouTube fam? We got B-Dog.
Correct.
We got Jake.
Correct also.
Check out my fresh new cut. It's not that fresh really, but
Well, you
hey,
got
my
a
hair is
haircut?
long. I got a hair
Which one?
cut. It'll work.
It'll work well.
Yeah.
These things are fucking cool, dude.
True. Oh, yeah. I can use this camera for basically anything because you can do fisheye, you can do normal, you have super view, and it shoots in 4K, which I'm probably not going to because it's hell for editing, you know. So, yeah, it basically has and 12 megapixel camera. That's actually pretty good too for a GoPro, and it has the touchscreen on the back.
Shoots in like 120 frames too.
120 frames per second at 1080.
That's fucking dope.
Yeah, and the fact that it has an external mic, that's pretty much never seen before on GoPro. So let's get to this. Do you have a knife in here?
I do. Front bottom's nice.
Thanks, Braden, hooking it up. I cut towards myself, but don't do that.
Why not?
I'll let you handle that.
Alright.
Now that we got that open that up at the bottom. For some reason, you can hook up a strap to the packaging if you want. I love smells of new products.
New expensive stuff.
New expensive stuff. Don't judge me.
Taking your time there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. You've done it now, dude.
Oh goodness, I guess I'm not returning this anytime soon.
You blew it.
How do you even do this? Oh, I guess there's a little blue tab I should look at. It's a blue tab. Open that blue tab. Don't do what I do.
Unbelievable.
It's still not coming out.
Got it.
Oh wow. You know. Yeah. All right. There's that. So you do what he did. Don't do what I was doing. That's not how you do it. They put weird tabs and stuff. All right. So.
See what you got in there.
Remove. How do I remove it? We're gonna open this little box first.
Alright, let me get you.
Okay.
Let me get you. Let's see if I can outsmart it.
Braden is better at unboxing than I am.
Alright, well, we'll go back to your plan.
Alright, there's a little thing right here. It says what it is.
What is it?
We don't need to read that. You never read stuff like that.
Don't read instructions. It's overrated.
Got this tab right here too. Open that. It looks like a, I don't know if this is the battery, only battery.
Comes with a spare.
There's some adhesive mounts, of course. Charging cable is super short. And it's actually USB Type-C.
That's cool.
Yeah. So that's new. And I don't think there's anything else. So let's get back to this. Please tell us how wrong of a job I did at this. Alright, so we're gonna unscrew this this little thing right here real quick, and then we're gonna figure out that way.
It says flip it up and push it forward, does it not?
Gotta pinch that.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Alright. Screw this box. We don't need that.
See if you can turn the bitch on. What's that?
Okay, so there's no physical button right here anymore.
Top.
There's a button on the side, there's a button on the top. There's a button on this side. What?
I don't know, just cleared my throat.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna take that back off right there. I don't know if that's how that works. I haven't actually seen it.
Maybe you should read the instructions.
You think so?
It's possible. It might be a good idea.
So you're gonna press the mode on the side. We should probably peel this thing off. I think that battery is
Dead or non-existent.
I think that battery is the only one.
That sucks.
'Cause why would they put two in? You know, that's where the market is.
That would be cool if they did, but you're right.
You got it. Nice new fresh screen. Oh, it's just that housing, so the entire thing is waterproof.
Yeah.
The GoPro itself now is waterproof, and it's just a housing.
Which is like something they should have done a long time ago. But
yeah, because like all their competitors did that, and it took them forever.
There you go. Pop that in.
It's got a nice
Do you
feel.
have an
It's
SD
like
card with you? Micro SD.
don't. It like flashed these red lights, and then you just like push that back in. I don't know what that button's for. Probably to unlock it.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna hold down mode on the side. It's gonna beep, and then it shows the screen.
Let's see.
That's cool. This is way more high tech than the GoPro I have. I have a base Hero from last year. It was one they sold for like $130. So swipe right to view all your photos and whatnot. That's pretty cool. So I was gonna say that I do have another charger for this, a longer one, but in fact it is USB Type-C and I don't. But I'm glad that it's a longer cable though, because the original GoPro had very short cable. So we're gonna leave this charging here. We're gonna go grab an SD card and then we'll be back. It's got some juice now, so we're about to put this housing in.
74%.
74% out of like 1 hour.
Yeah. No SD. You should probably put an SD card in before you put it in the housing.
That's true. I just farted. Out of the old and in with the new.
I already put it in the thing. I wonder how GoPro low light is.
That's what I was wondering.
We're about to find out.
That's for sure. From this point on, I'll be recording with the GoPro.
Damn, dude, that angle is way wider than the phone, that's for sure. Let's go get some footage of your car and see how the sound quality is and see how it does at night. Dude, the stabilization's insane.
Alright, the GoPro's now in the back of the vehicle. We're gonna get back in the car because it's extremely freezing. We're just gonna test to see how it goes on the back.
And test the audio quality.
That too. That was a close call. At first we were like, is it just a person with a spotlight? But no, that was actually a cop.
Unbelievable.